Hi and Assalamualaikum. We are from group number 3. We'll be representing our video for our MAT263 group project titled Application of Linear Algebra in Sport. Before we start, I will introduce you to my team members. The first one is Aiman Nurhakimin bin Azlin Shah. The second one is Nur Atiqah Zainuddian. The third one is Nurul Jannah binti Zarudin. The fourth one is Fatin Umaira binti Mahathir. Last but not least is Nur Afifah binti Ahmad Tarmizi.
I will explain about introduction. Nearly all branches of mathematics depend on linear algebra. Many individuals believe that they will never need to utilize mathematics in the real world, although it is employed in the majority of activities we engage in every day, including sports and cooking. How can we use linear algebra to address difficulties that arise in daily life? Many problems can be described in terms of linear system in the contemporary exposition of linear algebra using vector spaces and matrices. In this case study, we may use the matrix multiplication to solve the problem.
Now, moving on to the problem statement. Mira, Lukman and Ezra, 3 buddies, make the decision to train for field events, which include long jump, shot put and stone spear. Mira trains daily for 30 minutes of long jump, 20 minutes of shot put and 100 minutes stone spear. Lukman trains for 25 minutes for long jump, 30 minutes of shot put and 60 minutes of stone spear. Ezra trains for 20 minutes of long jump, 45 minutes of shot put and 55 minutes of stone spear. The first question is, write matrix A which has the training minutes for each sport of Mira, Lukman and Ezra as follows. The second question is, considering the matrix below, M equal to 10.1, 9.2, 11.2, 7.5, 6.6, 8.7, 5.3, 4.6, 6.4. This reflects the number of calories burned by Ezra, who weighs 85 kg, Mira, who weighs 70 kg, and Lukman, who weighs 60.5 kg. According to the weight for each minute of training, the first row shows the calorie burned for long jump, the second row shows the calorie burned for shot put, and the third row shows the calorie expended for stone spear. Mira is mentioned in the first column, Lukman in the second, and Ezra in the third. Determine the products row by column A multiply M. What corresponds to the main diagonal elements in the generated matrix? The last question is, which of the 3 people, based on the training, consume the most calories in a day?
Let's move on to the methodology on how to solve each of the questions. For the first question, as a result, we can come up with this matrix A, where the first to the third rows represent Mira, Lukman and Ezra's training minutes for each sport, while the first to the third column represent the type of the sport they did, which are long jump, shot put and stone spear. Next, for the question 2, we need to find the products between matrix A and matrix M, and we can label it as matrix C as shown in this slide. After we get the answer for it, the main diagonal of matrix C, which are C11, C22 and C33, are corresponding to the total calories burned for each of them. For the last question, we can conclude that Ezra burns the most calories in one day based on the answer in the 2 Roman.
Okay, so I will present about the result and discussion. For the first Roman, we get A equal to 30, 20, 100, 25, 30, 60, 20, 45 and 55. We get the answer based on the information in problem statement. We use the coefficient matrix to get matrix A. Next, for the second Roman question, the result for the first statement problem is C equals to 977 at 66, 11 at 0, 7 at 6.5, 701, 905 at 17.5, 7 to 9.5 and 9 at 7.5. And for the second problem statement, the element on the main diagonal of the matrix C correspond to the total calories burned for each person. So the result is C11 equal to 977, which is Mira total calories burn. C22 equals to 701, which is Luqman calories burn. C33 equal to 987.5, which is Ezra total calories burn. We get the matrix C by using A multiply M, which is we get the matrix A is from the first Roman answer and M is from the information that be mentioned in the problem statement. As for the next question, we got the answer by using the main diagonal of matrix C to find the element of the main diagonal correspond to the total calories burn of each person. And lastly, for the third Roman, the answer is Ezra burned the most calorie in one day. As for the third Roman answer, we get Ezra because Ezra total calories burn is the most highest value in main diagonal of matrix C, which is 987.5 in Sri T3.
As a conclusion, we can conclude that Ezra has burned the most calorie in a day with 1,158 calories in a day, while Mara and Luqman has burned 757 calories and 735.5 calories in a day. We can see that Ezra has trained hard to achieve a win in the triathlon.
That's all from us. Thank you for your attention.